Create a new email by hitting the orange button in Emails menu. Now, you can choose between an automated email for using it in an automation workflow and a simple email intended for one-time sending. We choose a regular email in our case. First, choose the list of recipients, the subject line, and other important details for sending out your email in the campaign settings. You have the option of personalizing your subject line and adding emojis to it. You can also use the AI content generator for inspiration on subject lines. An A/B test lets you test two different subject lines against each other to see which one gets better open rates. You can access additional settings by opening the Advanced Campaign settings. Now you can enter a campaign name and select or create a category. This allows you to automatically fill in sender information using a category with a single click. You're free to go with a standard form as your unsubscribe form or use your own. In the tracking section, you can choose to monitor opens and assign a tag to them. You can also decide whether or not to track clicks. Then click Continue and proceed to step 2. We'll cover that in the next video. For more tips and instructions on how to create your email, check out our Help Center.